Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the exact environment. Enable the map's JavaScript API and create an API key in Google Cloud. Make sure billing is active. Once done, restrict the key to your site or app for safety, then load a minimal HTML map page on localhost or a dev server. Now you're ready to apply a style. Instead of fiddling with app toggles, you'll use a small JSON snippet that targets labels. Follow along, and don't skip the API and billing checks. Now edit the map initialization to include a style that hides labels. Add a JSON rule where feature type is all, element type is labels, and stylers set visibility to off. Insert that styles array into the map options in your map's JavaScript init code, or create a custom map style in Cloud and attach its ID. Once applied, refresh the page and inspect with dev tools to confirm labels are gone. Make sure you test different zoom levels, because some label types behave differently at high or low zoom. Finish by deploying your updated page and tightening API key restrictions to the production domain. Once live, verify on multiple devices and clear browser cache to remove old map tiles. If labels still appear, open the browser console. Look for API key, billing, or style loading errors. Also confirm your JSON targets the correct feature type and zoom ranges. Sometimes place labels are separate features and need specific rules. One key troubleshooting tip: disable key restrictions temporarily to confirm a restriction mismatch isn't blocking the styled tiles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.